All right, traders, hold on tight, because I'm about to unveil a game changer that could flip your entire trading world upside down. Imagine having a tool that doesn't just help you trade, but practically builds a winning strategy right before your eyes. This secret tool has just been released, and let me tell you something, you are super lucky for watching this video. Now, I'm not talking about an average run-of-the-mill indicator here. This beast is built to literally beat the market. I'm talking win rates close to 100% and total profits soaring past 600%. With this indicator, you're not just guessing anymore. You're working with cold, hard data that's been tested and back-tested, so you know you're setting yourself up to become profitable consistently over the years ahead. In this video, I will teach you how to build 3 powerful strategies with this tool for 1 minute, 15 minutes, and 4-hour time frames. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced trader, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with everything you need to finally become profitable. Let's dive in. This secret indicator is called Strategy Builder Plus, developed by Chart Prime, the creator of some of the most reliable and accurate technical analysis tools on TradingView. But let's be real, testing all these indicators manually has always been a grind, right? That's why Chart Prime decided to hit the turbo button on your trading game by introducing this truly magical indicator that lets you create highly profitable strategies in minutes. Here's where it gets juicy. The strategy creator allows you to fine-tune your buy and sell conditions like a mad scientist, with options tailored for both long and short trades. Want to buy when a strong bullish trend signal teams up with a bullish dynamic reactor? Done. The second you set it up, the system fires off a backtest and delivers instant feedback. Weeks, months, years. It's all at your fingertips with adjustable time frames. No more guesswork, just solid data to guide your moves. But wait, it gets even better. Say hello to the layered entry system, a game-changing feature that steps in during market dips. If your long trade starts heading south, the system adds positions at prime points, dropping your average entry price. So when the market rebounds, you're cashing in like a pro. And yes, you control how many entries the system layers in. Perfect for any market condition. Managing take profit and stop loss levels is a breeze, with tools as flexible as your imagination. Use ATR, risk-reward ratios, trailing stops, or even price percentages to lock in gains or cut losses. How awesome is that? The strategy creator's leverage testing lets you simulate performance at different leverage levels, while keeping a close eye on your required margin. Need to grow faster? Enable the reinvestment feature to funnel a portion of your profits into future trades, compounding your gains over time. And don't worry, anything not reinvested is set aside for safety orders, striking a balance between growth and security. As promised, it's time to build some jaw-dropping profitable setups using the strategy builder. And for this demonstration, we're bringing out the big guns, Bitcoin. Our first strategy? A 1-minute time frame that boasts a mind-blowing 98% accuracy. Yes, you heard that right. A strategy that almost never loses. Let's dive straight into the indicator settings. First off, we're optimizing the wallet balance to a cool $1,000 and cranking the leverage up to 20. To spice things up, we'll enable the reinvestment option and lock in 40%. Why 40? Because we're aiming for growth and safety trader style. Here comes the fun part, customizing the long conditions. First, enable trend signals and set the signal type to strong buy. For that extra edge, we'll tweak the signal sensitivity from 14 to 16. Next, activate the dynamic reactor, locking it into a bullish trend. And let's not forget the trend assistant. Set that to a bullish trend as well. Boom, long conditions optimized. But hold tight, we're not done yet. Time to fine-tune the short conditions. Enable those trend signals, switch the type to sell, and drop the sensitivity to 12. Then, scroll down and activate the oscillator True 7 as a signal filter, selecting the bearish bottom signal type. That's it. Short conditions locked and loaded. Finally, let's talk money management. The long take profit settings? No need to touch those. They're already golden. But for the long stop loss, we'll switch it to a price percentage and set it to 3. And we'll do the same for the short stop loss. Simple tweaks, but oh so powerful. Now, here's where things get crazy. This setup didn't just hit that 98% accuracy. it smashed through with a profit factor of 7.2, raking in a total profit of 37%. And the maximum drawdown? A mere 7.2%. Out of 50 trades, this strategy only lost once. Unbelievable? Maybe. But with the strategy builder, this is just the beginning. Let's keep the momentum going and see what else we can create. All right, let's shift gears and crank things up to the 15-minute time frame. This is where the magic really starts to unfold. First things first, open the indicator settings and hit reset. Let's start fresh. Set your wallet balance to $1,000. Increase the leverage to 10 and lock in a base trade value of 50. Now here's a little kicker. Enable the reinvest option and set it to 50%. Oh, and don't forget to scroll down and check the counterattack function. It's like the secret sauce for this setup. Now, it's time to work on those long conditions. We're going with the prophecy signal as our base, paired with a bullish trend. Now comes the fun part, filters. First up, we're activating the quantum reactor with a bullish trend set to slow speed. Next, let's enable the trend assistant, locking it into a bullish trend type. Finally, flip on the oscillator reversal and set it to, you guessed it, a bullish reversal. There you go. Long conditions locked and ready to roll. Now, for the short conditions. Here's where we bring in the heavy artillery. Start by enabling bearish reversal signals with sensitivity set to 7. Then, activate the bearish trend quantum reactor, also set to slow. Finally, add the bearish oscillator reversal with sensitivity dialed down to 3. And just like that, your short conditions are locked and loaded. The next step is to set the take profit and stop loss settings. Leave the long TP as is. It's already dialed in perfectly. For the long SL, switch to price percentage and set it to 3. For the short SL, adjust the ATR to 3. With these tweaks, the strategy is ready to fire on all cylinders. And now, the moment of truth, the metrics. This strategy didn't just perform, it dominated. We're talking an 85% accuracy rate across 221 trades. The profit factor? A solid 3.6, with total profits hitting a staggering 118%. Even better, the maximum drawdown barely nudged past 11%, making this strategy as safe as it is powerful. If you're trading Bitcoin on the 15-minute time frame, this setup is a must-try. So far, we've tackled the fast-paced, short-term plays, but now it's time to level up, big time. This next setup is for the long-haul warriors, the traders who understand that patience pays off in a big way. We're moving to the 4-hour time frame, where the profits don't just trickle, they pour in. Get ready to see some jaw-dropping numbers because this strategy is an absolute beast. Let's dive right into the settings. First, adjust the wallet balance, leverage, and base trade value to match what I'm doing here. Then, flip on the reinvest option and set it to 35%. Scroll down a little further and enable the counterattack feature. It's like adding a turbo boost to your strategy. Now let's tackle the signals. For long conditions, activate the bullish reversal signals and the bullish trend assistant. For short conditions, do the opposite. Bearish signals and bearish trends. All set. The signals are locked and ready to go. Next, fine-tune your take profit and stop loss settings. For the long TP, switch it to trailing and set the value to 3. Keep the long SL on ATR type, but bump the value up to 2.5. For short trades, keep the TP type on ATR with a value of 3, and increase the short SL to 2.5. These little tweaks, they're about to make a huge difference. Now let's talk numbers, the performance metrics. This strategy is no joke. With a win ratio of over 73%, a profit factor of 4.6, and a total profit of a staggering 639% after just 111 trades, it's built to deliver. The max drawdown, 19%. If that feels a bit steep for your liking, no worries. Just dial back the base trade value or leverage to suit your risk appetite. For long-term traders, this setup is pure gold. The combination of steady signals, optimized management, and sky-high profits makes this strategy a powerhouse for the 4-hour time frame. With the Chart Prime Strategy Creator, the possibilities are endless. Complex strategies, simple setups, layered entries. It's all here, designed to adapt to your style. And the best part? It's insanely easy to use. Now, the real question, how and where can you get this indicator in your toolkit and start applying these setups for yourself? All right, here's the deal. The Strategy Builder Plus isn't just any trading tool. It's the crown jewel of Timeframes' premium lineup. But there's a catch. It's only available as part of a lifetime membership, and you can only snag it once a year during Black Friday. Yep, this exclusive deal is like spotting a unicorn. Blink and you'll miss it. But this isn't just about one tool. The lifetime package opens the floodgates to over 10 other game-changing chart prime indicators, my personal Trade IQ tools, access to an exclusive Discord community, weekly classes, and even custom signals designed to supercharge your trading game. Once you're in, you'll have an invite-only collection of these powerhouse indicators at your fingertips. Setting up the Strategy Builder is a breeze. Install it on any instrument or time frame, customize it to your liking, and you're ready to roll. But remember, even the best tools can't predict the future. Backtesting is just the start. Always forward test your strategies across different market conditions. If you're ready to take your trading to the next level, click the link in the description to access these powerful indicators.